So this is my 1996 Jeep Cherokee. I bought it to flip it. It needed a little bit of work. Um, and as I was going to sell it, on the drive to the meeting spot, the power steering pump seized up on me. And then on the way back, ooh, that's icy. On the way back, the front driver hub decided to stop hubbing. So I got to replace the hub and replace the power steering pump. And instead of relist this after it gets back to being roadworthy, I decided I'm going to turn it into a trail rig. So for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be working on this, getting it up to the task of being a nice off-road beater. So this is definitely going to be an all expense spared kind of project. I'm going to do everything the cheapest, quickest, and easiest way possible. I've got a stack of tires sitting back behind this truck. I got some AutoZone shackles that I'm going to throw on it and all that good stuff. I'll make sure to document it all. It's not going to be fun and easy. These things kind of suck to work on, in my opinion. I hate XJs. But since I've got this, I'm going to have a little fun with it, beat up on it a little bit, and see where it takes me. It's so much.
But wait! There's more!
Alright, ball joint. Nice. So here the Jeep is all lifted up and on the tires. This is not a matching tire because I only had 3 of these. Well, I had 4, but the sidewall on the other one was blown out, and I didn't really want to risk anything with that. From the back, let's see, not too bad. Down under there. But she's got a little bit of stance to her. The offset on this tire, or on this wheel, is different than the other 3. It's fine. You don't need that. But yeah, it's looking good. The fenders, I got a little aggressive cutting the fenders. Don't worry about that power steering fluid there on the ground. I got to fix that before taking it out. But yeah, turn into a proper rig. So as far as clearance goes, everything on the driver's side clears well. Got that horn tucked away there. That'll be fine. It's fine how it is. There's the one pretty shock on the whole thing. Figured I'd put it on the driver's side because that's the only side I'll be looking at. But over on the other side, at full lock steering, we got a little bit of a kiss right here. Turn the flash on. It touches this tiniest amount, so I'm gonna massage that a little bit, get it fit a little better, and then she'll be perfect. And just like that, I got plenty of clearance. You can see the ground through there and everything. Well, here the Jeep is after getting it all ready, and it's pretty much ready to hit the trails tomorrow. So got this bumper put on with the D Shackles for a nice little recovery point. I got this 22-inch light bar here. Got this 2x4 bolted down. You can see the bolts a little bit in there to the winch mount holes. And then I just put a nice little wood screw to hold the light bar on. Got that 50-incher up there, and all I did to secure that, I just zip tied it onto that cross member right there. It works. It's on there pretty decent. Good enough for what I need. I got some side marker lights, or I guess side vision lights there, and some reverse lights that kind of hit the whole corner and the back of it. It's really convenient. I use that backing it into the driveway tonight. Got it decaled out. Got a nice little license plate there. It really describes the state of this Jeep. Just gonna send it here on the side. On the inside here, I got that CB radio mounted up. Got the antenna sitting up there. It's just a little magnet base mount. Pretty decent. I use that on my F-250. It's not the best antenna ever. It gets pretty good range if you get it tuned in right, but it's really easy to knock off, kind of. Got this guy sitting here. I think it'll be pretty accurate to any passenger in this vehicle. You know, got to keep things fun. Now around to the trunk here. I got a nice little fluids bucket. Got a recovery rope. It's one of those fancy schmancy kinetic ropes with some soft shackles. I got this on sale from Amazon, geez, months ago, and just it's been sitting in this bag. Cheap little soft shackles there. I got some more D-rings in here, a tire inflator, oil, coolant, power steering fluid, or ATF. These guys back there are oil, power steering fluid, coolant, and some brake fluid. with how quickly and cheaply and without many cares I put this Jeep together with, all those fluids may come in handy. So for tires, I got these 33 12.5s. Got a 3-piece set of these tires. This is the only wheel that's this way. The offset's a little different. So if you look down the side profile of the Jeep, the front sticks out further than the rear, opposed to this side where I have a mismatched tire on this. It's still a 33 12.5, but these wheels are have the same offset on them. So looks pretty good on this side. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I got 4 tires and 4 wheels. For the rear, like I said, I put the AutoZone shackle, meant for lowering trucks or something. I don't know. Lifts the Jeep up pretty good. I got plenty of clearance here in the back. The front, all I've got is the coil puck here. Gives me an extra, what is that, 2-ish inches there. Plenty enough. Got some shocks that actually shock. Oh, and the best part, well, not the best part, this whole thing is its own best part. Check out this horn. Pretty loud. I don't think it's too late. Yeah, 8 o'clock. Neighbors aren't going to get too mad. But yeah, for the wires, actually, I found it pretty convenient that they all fit underneath this this seal here. So I got them running from the roof down. I drilled a hole in this guy, put it into the hood, called it a day there. The wiring's good enough. I didn't spend too much time on it. Obviously, I don't want any shorts or anything because I didn't put any relays or fuses. I just ran it straight from the battery to the switches here, which were also done in a very time-efficient manner. Let's see if I can get some more light on this. Where's that flash button? There it is. So I cut a rectangle out of the inner fender liner that I removed from this guy, and I just mounted my switches here. So I got the 2 front bars, the 2 side pods, and the 2 reverse pods all on their own switch. But yeah, this Jeep's ready to rip. I got to do like 2 more things to it. Like wiper blades, because it's going to be muddy and I'm going to want to see. I got to figure out a solution to the blower motor not working, whether it's a fuse or the blower motor itself, because it's going to be a little frosty and I can't be dealing with my windshield all blocked up with fog and stuff. And then after that, just doing a final look over, making sure all the bolts and stuff are tight, and let it rip tomorrow.
Till next time, toodaloo.